Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 5 best electric smokers, carefully selected to bring authentic smoky flavor and modern convenience to your cooking. Electric smokers are perfect for anyone who wants consistent results without the hassle of managing charcoal or propane. They combine precision temperature control, spacious cooking racks, and innovative features that make smoking meats, fish, and vegetables easier than ever. Whether you're a backyard barbecue enthusiast or someone who loves experimenting with new recipes, these smokers deliver versatility and reliability. From compact models ideal for beginners to large-capacity units designed for serious pitmasters, this lineup covers every need. You'll find options with digital controls, wood chip loaders, and even multifunction grills that can roast, bake, or air fry. Each product has been chosen for its balance of performance, durability, and ease of use, ensuring your smoking experience is flavorful and stress-free. Number 1. Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker. The Masterbuilt 40-inch digital electric smoker offers a spacious 970 square inches of cooking space, perfect for large gatherings or family feasts. Equipped with a side wood chip loader, it allows you to add smoky flavor without opening the door, keeping heat consistent. The digital control panel makes temperature adjustments simple, while the leg kit provides stability and convenience. Chrome-coated racks ensure durability and easy cleaning, while the sleek black design adds a professional touch to your backyard setup. Ideal for smoking brisket, ribs, or whole turkeys, this smoker delivers even heat distribution for reliable results. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting out, the Masterbuilt 40-inch model combines capacity, performance, and ease of use, making it a standout choice for anyone who loves authentic smoked flavor. Number 2. Grill Boss Electric Pellet Smoker. Bring versatility to your barbecue with the Grill Boss Electric Pellet Smoker, a vertical design equipped with digital controls for precision cooking. This smoker uses wood pellets to deliver rich, authentic flavor while maintaining consistent heat. The vertical layout maximizes cooking space, making it ideal for smoking multiple racks of ribs, brisket, or poultry at once. Digital controls allow you to set and monitor temperature easily, ensuring perfect results every time. Its sturdy black build is designed for durability, while the pellet system simplifies fuel management compared to traditional smokers. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or preparing meals for the week, the Grill Boss Electric Pellet Smoker offers convenience and flavor in one package. It's a reliable option for those who want the ease of electric power combined with the taste of wood-smoked cooking. Number 3. Smokehouse Big Chief Electric Smoker. The Smokehouse Big Chief Electric Smoker is a classic choice for those who value simplicity and reliability. Designed for smoking fish, jerky, and meats, it provides consistent low-temperature performance that's perfect for delicate smoking tasks. With a straightforward plug-in design, it eliminates the complexity of managing fuel, making it beginner-friendly. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the spacious interior accommodates large batches. Ventilation is optimized for steady airflow, enhancing flavor and texture. Easy to operate and clean, the Big Chief is ideal for hobbyists and home cooks who want dependable results without fuss. Whether you're preparing salmon, sausage, or ribs, this smoker delivers authentic smoky flavor every time. Trusted by generations of outdoor cooks, the Smokehouse Big Chief remains a reliable companion for anyone seeking a no-nonsense electric smoker. Number 4. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker. Experience multifunction cooking with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker, a 6-in-1 powerhouse that grills, smokes, bakes, roasts, air fries, and broils. Powered by electric heat and enhanced with authentic woodfire flavor, it brings versatility to your outdoor kitchen. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for small patios or camping trips, offering convenience without sacrificing taste. The digital controls make operation simple, while the durable design ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're smoking ribs, grilling burgers, or air-frying wings, this Ninja model adapts to your cooking style. Its portability and multifunctionality make it a standout option for those who want more than just a smoker. With the Ninja Woodfire, you can explore endless recipes while enjoying the rich flavor of wood-smoked cooking, all in one compact appliance. Number 5. Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker. Compact yet powerful, the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker offers 710 square inches of cooking space, ideal for everyday use. Featuring a side wood chip loader, it lets you add flavor without opening the door, maintaining consistent heat. The digital control panel ensures precise temperature management, while chrome-coated racks provide durability and easy cleanup. Its sleek black design fits seamlessly into any backyard setup, making it perfect for smoking ribs, chicken, or fish. Easy to use and reliable, this smoker is a great choice for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Whether you're preparing family dinners or weekend BBQs, the Masterbuilt 30-inch model delivers authentic smoky flavor with minimal effort. It's a dependable option for anyone seeking convenience, performance, and delicious results in a compact design. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.